Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and today we are looking at the chart of the day. It is the Emini S&P 500 Index Futures. Right now we are currently trading at 1094.50s. It is Monday, and we are looking at a 15-minute chart. Now up here on the chart you can see our levels that we've been playing the last 2 weeks here. They've bounced once, twice at these huge short levels. Okay, bears have respected these levels each time. They've sold it hard. Bears and bulls have taken profits. Bears have sold into it. You can see down here is that profit area. We never reached that profit area. Okay, what has happened is last week we had two successful targets hit down here in this 1050 area. We saw profit taking and buying. The next short was respected, broke to the downside, but then we had a change of midterm trend on the ES. And that's important because we are coming up into this longer range trend, and with the midterm trend changed over to bullish, that's going to affect how we play up here. This is going to be a third test up here at 1106s. 1106s. This is going to be the third time we've come back up here. You can see us currently climbing back towards that number. Now, what to expect when we get there? How are we going to get there? Let's take a look at it. We have seen a series of buying opportunities respected by the bulls. They have participated, they have bought this thing, they have pushed it back. Its next measured move, which was here at 1077.75s, they've broken up out of that. Okay, after that we had a retracement down into a buying area, and then we just had a target hit in the overnight session just before the opening bell here on Monday. Now, if this market turns around right here, if profit taking sets in and we begin to sell off and try and find support, the next opportunity for intraday, both intraday and daily long levels, opportunities for bulls to get into the market, is going to be here at 1082.25. That is where the bulls have to defend if they are going to run back up here and hit this target up here at 1100, okay, psychological level. So what needs to happen here? If we do not sell off from here, if we continue to climb higher, well, then this area is just going to move up incrementally, okay? So this area is only dependent upon, is only reliable should the market turn around right now. If we continue to climb after this video, you're going to have to recalculate this support area. But right now, as it stands, 1082.25s, 1082.50s is the area the bulls are going to have to defend. And the target on that intraday long, because that is a short-term long, that target is up here at 1100 even, we're going to call it. Okay? So now if we take a look at it at a larger time frame, knowing that that's our intraday target, we take a look at a daily chart. You can see our target right here, 1100 evens, that's leading us right back into this short level. So you're not only going to have a combination of people taking profits on the longs, you're also going to have new people getting short into the market, seeing this level from the past 2 weeks, and anticipating that it stay respected. The odds are much lower that it stays respected on this third touch because so many of those bears are already in the market. They are going to defend their position, but to initiate new bulk positions, the orders are not going to be as plentiful as they were that first and second touch. Okay, people starting to doubt their positions. Now, should this level break down, should we continue our bullish move to the upside, you will find the next major fork in the road, the next war that's going to have to be waged is going to happen here at these 1127s. 1127s is important because it is the halfway back of this entire downward move. It is where the line in the sand, okay, the death level for the short-term trend. Should this trade and we break to the upside, we are climbing back up here to highs at 1216.75s. Despite what any fundamentals say, that is what is going to happen. Should this be respected, we always need to think ahead of time, in advance, where we can get in and out of this thing. This huge short, 1127 evens, has got a target down here at 1,000, basically 1,000, 995s. So a very important week coming up this week. We're going to see whether or not this 1106 holds. We're also going to see if it does break to the upside, we're going to see what happens at that big level. So this is a very important week. We have seen a little bit of chop. If we can get a break above this, Stops are going to get hit, and it's going to get very interesting because these two levels are so close to each other. It's going to be very interesting to see the participation from the bears at that level. Should we run right through, like I said, right back up to highs. So, guys, that is the play. Intraday, you've seen it. Bullish from those levels on the 15-minute chart. Bullish from this 1082 50s, 1082 25s. Anticipating 1100s trading today. If we break down, we're coming all the way back to halfway back, okay? Halfway back of this entire move from 1041 25s to 1095s. You're going to find halfway back in there, okay? So that's the play on the ES. If you're interested in this chart or any of the other charts that we do, stop by the website www.pillartrading.com. We try and get your questions answered. Leave us a comment, send us an email, get trading with us in the live room, and hopefully everyone has a good trading day today, guys, and a good trading week. And I will see you all in the next video.